Good morning students. Today we will discuss about some questions of chapter number 6. Means we will discuss some questions from test of chapter number 6, which was your previous test. So your question number 1 was that parallel lines meet at 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or fourth option was null. So we will, as you know that these are the parallel lines and they will not meet. Not meet anywhere. So that's why your answer will be null. Is this clear? Then come to question number 2. In question number 2, your figure was like this. Okay. Then here AB was parallel to CD. It is given to us. Then FE is perpendicular to CD. It is given like this, and G is 1 point on AB. It was given like this. Then what else is given? That angle GED was given as 135 degree. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find angle AGE. Then next we have to find is angle GEF. That means this angle, and angle FGE. That means this angle. Okay. These three angles we have to find. So here you can observe that as this full is of 135 degree and this is 90 degree. So if we subtract 90 from 135, we will get this angle. That means this angle. Okay. Now as this is 135 and AB is parallel to CD, so we can apply alternate angles to these two angles. So that's why this will also become as 135. Then as this is 135, so we can find this also by linear pair. So this is our question number 2. Then come to question number 3. Now in question number 3, your figure is, let me raise this. In question number 3, your figure is that there are two perpendicular lines given to us, then which are perpendicular to each other. Then it is given to us like this. Okay, and this is given as B, this is given as A, and this whole is given as, okay. Now, in this question number 3, as it is given to us that two lines are perpendicular to each other, okay, and this is given as A, this is B, and this is given as C. Now, what else is given? It is given that A ratio B is given as 2:3, or you can say that A is to B is equals to 2:3. So, we will suppose ourselves that let A be 2x and B be 3x. Okay. Now, as this is acting as 2x and this is acting as 3x, now we can apply a straight line angle property over here. That says 90 plus 3x plus 2x is equals to 180. Okay. After applying this, we will find the value of x from here, and that will be 18 degree. Now, after putting our value of x from here to this, so we will get value of A. That is, we will get A as 36 degree and B as 54 degree. You can solve it, you can put it, and then you can solve it, and you will get this only. Then after finding this, now we have to find C. Now as we have got our value of A, that is 36 degree. Now with the help of this line, we can say that as it is making as a linear pair over here, that means A plus C is making as a linear pair over here. So we can apply property of linear pair, that is 36 plus C we don't know. So we can find the value of C from here. Okay, like this you can solve it and then you will get the answer. So this was question number 3. Then come to question number 4. Now for question number 4, figure is question number 4, the figure is that this one. Okay. Then this is given as angle 3 and this is given as angle 1 and this is given as 2 and this is given as 4. Now, as we know that it is given to us that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay, and we have to find value of angle 3 and angle 4. So what we will do that, as we know that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Now we know that angle 1 and angle 3 are making linear pair. So in place of this I can write 180 minus angle 3. Okay. Then in place of angle 2 I can write 180 minus angle 4 because angle 2 and angle 4 are making linear pair. Now we can cut angle 180 with 180. Okay. Then we will get angle 3 is equals to angle 4. That means it is clear to us that value of angle 3 and angle 4 will be same. So what we will do, we will just apply angle sum property in these three angles. After applying angle sum property in angles of this triangle, what we will get? As we know that both of them are equal, so in place of them we can write x and x. So we will get the value of x, that is we will get the value of both the angles. So after finding the value, what you will get? You will get that you will get like this. Okay. After this, you will get value of x, that will be 61 degree. Okay, that means this is the value of angle 1 and angle 2, that is 61 degree. Okay. Now, as this is 61, can you find angle 3 by linear pair? Yes. Similarly, as this is also 61, you can find value of angle 4. And we know that both of them are equal, so you can check it also whether they are coming equal or not. So that is the answer. So I think it is clear. Then come to question number 5. Now, in question number 5, it is given to us, again a figure is given to us where AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Then it is given like this. Okay. Now this is given as 75. Then this is given as 30. This is given as x. Okay. Now what we can apply here, as we know that AB is parallel to CD. So we can apply corresponding angle property over here. That is, if this is 75, then this will also be 75. After that, after applying this, we will observe that this angle is acting as a exterior angle property for 30 and x. So exterior angle for them. So we can apply exterior angle property that says exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite of interior angles. So we can apply like this and we will find the value of x, that will be 45. I think this is clear to all of you. Then come to question number 6. Now question number 6 is again very easy. So question number 6 is that again a line is given to us, that is AF, and again it is given to us that AB, sorry not AF, it is given to us that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now this is given as 62 degree. This is given as 62 degree. Now it is given as 36 degree and this is given as x. Now we have to find value of x from here. Again you can observe here that 62 is making exterior angle for 36 in x. So again we can apply exterior angle property for 62, that is x plus 36 is equals to 62. That is value of x will be 62 minus 36. That is value of this will be 26. So this is the answer of question number 6. Then come to question number 7. Let me raise this. Okay, if you want to see then you can see, or if you want to write then you can write it also. From this discussion your doubts will be clear. Now come to question number 7. Now in question number 7, again figure is somewhat like this. Okay, this is given as P, this is given as Q, this is given as S, this is given as R, this is given as W, this is given as X, this is given as Z, and this is given as Y. Now what we have to tell? We have to tell that which of them are corresponding angle. So you can see that P is corresponding with W, Q is corresponding with X, and R with Y, and S with Z. Now from option you will observe that P with W is the correct answer. So answer is angle P is equals to angle W, which is angle P and angle 2 are making corresponding angles. Then come to question number 8. Now in question number 8, wait a minute. Okay, as in question number 8 there is no doubt. So I am coming to question number 10. Okay. I am coming to question number 10. Now in question number 10, what you will see that again a figure is given where AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Then you will observe that this is given as 75 degree. This is given as X degree. Then this is given as Y degree. And this is given as Z degree. And this is given as 125 degree. Now we have to find the value of X, Y and Z, where AB is parallel to CD. Here again you will see that as AB is parallel to CD, that means if this is 125, then this whole will also be of 125 because of alternate interior angles. Okay, after finding this angle, we can find this Z by subtracting 75 from 125. That means Z will be 125 minus 75, that is 50 degree. After that, after finding this as 50 degree, what we can find? We can apply exterior angle property to Z plus Y is equals to 125 degree, as this is acting as a exterior angle, as this is acting as an exterior angle. So we can apply exterior angle property over here. Now in place of Z we can write 50, and in place of Y as it is, then we will get value of Y, that is value of Y will be 75 degree. Okay, now after finding this 75, can you just find value of X by linear pair? Yes. So as these are making linear pair, we can apply, we can find value of X, and after solving it you will find your answer. Okay, so this is question number 10. Now we will discuss question number 12. Okay, so question number 12 is from NCERT. Although you can solve it yourself, still I am just having discussion of this. So question number 12 is that PQ is given parallel to ST. Okay, and this is given as 110 degree and this is given as 130 degree. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find angle QRS. This we have to find. So what I am doing construction over here. That means I am just making a line which is passing through the point R. So after this, I'm just naming this as 1. So you will observe that as PQ is parallel to, okay, I'm naming this as AB. Okay, I have constructed this line which is parallel to PQ. That means as from here PQ is parallel to AB. This implies PQ is parallel to AB is parallel to ST, because PQ is parallel to ST also. So from here we can find our value of angle 1, that is from co-interior angle. That will be, I think, 50 degree. Yes. Then as PQ is parallel to AB. So if this is 110, this will also be 110. Okay. Then we can find value of angle QRS by subtracting 150 from 110. That is 60 degree. I think till here there is no doubt. After that, come to question number 13. So your question number 13 is, again it is from NCERT. Still I'm discussing here. So your question number 13 is that a figure is given to you like this, where PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay. Then this is given as Y, this is given as X. Then this is given as 28 degree and this is given as 65 degree. Okay. Now here, as angle SQR is given as 28 and this is given as 65, we have to find X and Y. So from here you can observe that as PQ is parallel to ST, so I can write that angle PST is equals to 90 degree, because they are making co-interior angles over here. Okay. After that, okay, you can do either by this method or another method I am telling you, that is easier one. So you can simply apply that as PQ is parallel to ST. So we can say that if this is 65, then this will also be of 65. Okay. After finding this full angle, we can find value of X. That will be, value of X will be 65 minus 28. That will be 37 degree. So this is coming as 37. This is coming as 37. And this is 90 given to us. So we can apply this plus this as 180 degree. So we can apply angle sum property over here. And after applying angle sum property in 90 plus Y plus 37, we can find the value of Y. So this is by angle sum property, as all of you know about that. So we can find the value of Y from here. I think till here there is no doubt. Okay. So here are some questions which are needed to be discussed. So I have discussed it from test of chapter number 6. If still any doubt is left, then you can take it afterwards. Then come to revision of chapter 12. Okay. So here, as there is no doubts from your side, so I'm just discussing about, I'm having a discussion about the formula itself. Having discussion about Heron's formula. Okay, I'm just giving a brief of this. So, in this Heron's formula, what this formula says? This says that if we want to find area of any type of triangle, then we can find it. Only it is necessary that all the sides should be given to us. So if suppose this side is A, this is B, and this is C given to us. So according to our formula, we can apply it here. That is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is our formula for area, for finding area of triangle. Okay. Now what is S here? S is acting as a semi-perimeter. That is, we can find by adding these three and then by dividing it by 2. That is semi-perimeter. After finding this semi-perimeter, you can say value of S. We can just put our values of S, A, B, C in this formula, and then we will find the area of triangle. We can find the area of triangle. Okay. Okay. Now if there is any doubt in this Heron's formula, this chapter, then you can take it after this lecture. Also write your homework. Homework is test of chapter 12 in your next lecture. Okay, test of chapter 12, that is Heron's formula, will be there in your next lecture. Thank you.